I did check to make sure that I got some of the heavier balls to see if it would be the twins, hopefully. I absolutely hate opening this plastic. Nope, it just keeps on coming. Oh, I think we got a swimming pool, looks like. So I don't have that one yet. It's the pink and yellow one. Actually, I don't have any of the swimming pools yet, so this is my first one. So came with a little sippy cup. And the stand to the umbrella, a swimsuit with, I'm not sure what that is on there, maybe the bunnies and hearts. Pink and yellow. I think this is some suntan lotion. And the umbrella. And we'll see which baby we got. Oh, here's the baby. I guess it didn't come with the swim hat I've seen on some of them. Must have been a different one. Getting the baby actually in the clothes is something different. I might have to do that part off camera, so we'll see what's in the other ball. So, hoping for the twins, but probably not again. It might also be a swimming pool. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Okay, looks like we got another pull. I'm thinking, because this big bag looks like the pull maybe. Nope, it's a crib. Okay, well, that crib's kind of hard to put together. So, probably did that off camera.